kids, our lesson for today is about informational text. Text and selections have different purposes. Some intend to inform or educate while others aim to amuse or entertain. There are also texts that are used to persuade. Most of the materials that you may have encountered or read aim to educate or inform. They are called informational texts. These texts are used to present information, details, or facts about a particular topic or subject matter. In this lesson, you are expected to identify and use the elements of an informational or factual text heard. A sample informational text, and it is entitled Calabarzon Truly Amazing. Calabarzon, also known as Southern Tagalog, is considered one of the country's largest regions in terms of population. It is composed of 5 provinces such as Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, and Quezon. It derived its name from the names of these 5 provinces. The famous Tagaytay City is in Cavite. Batangas Province is home to one of the most active volcanoes in the country, Mount Taal. Dr. Jose P. Rizal was born in Calamba in Laguna. Quezon Province is known for its colorful Pahiyas Festival. The province of Rizal is the place that gave birth to various national artists. Truly, Calabarzon is an amazing place to visit and explore. The passage that we have read provides lots of information or facts about Calabarzon. This passage is an example of an informational text as it presents factual details about the topic. For your first task, I want you to identify what type of informational text is being described in each item. Choose the letter of your answer from the box. Here are your choices. Letter A, sequence. B, cause and effect. C, description. D, comparison and contrast. E, persuasion. And letter F, problem and solution. Number 1. This informational text convinces a person to agree on certain issues. Good job! The correct answer is letter E, persuasion. Next, number 2. It tells a problem and possible solution to it. Very good. The correct answer is letter F. This is a problem and solution informational text. Number 3, it shows similarities and differences between 2 or more items. Good job. The correct answer is letter D. It is a comparison and contrast informational text. Number 4, it provides description of a person, place, thing, topic, and others. Very good. The correct answer is letter C. This is a description informational text. Number 5, it identifies the cause of why something happens or happened and its possible effects. Good job! The correct answer is letter B. This is a cause and effect informational text. And for the last number, it describes the order of things or events. Very good! The correct answer is letter A. This is a sequence informational text. Informational texts present factual details or information about particular persons, places, things, events, and topics. These texts may also be written using varied purposes such as to inform, educate, and even persuade. Informational texts may be written in various forms. These include the following. The first form of an informational text is what we call the sequence. A sequence informational text describes the things or events in their proper order. It also tells the steps on how to do something. Some of its keywords are first, second, next, then, before, after, finally, following, now, soon, and not long after. The second form of an informational text is what we call the cause and effect. A cause and effect informational text identifies why something happens or happened and its possible effects. Some of its keywords are so, because, since, therefore, if then, this led to, reason why, as a result, consequently, may be due to, effect of, and for this reason. The third form of an informational text is what we call the description. A description informational text describes a person, place, thing, event, and others. It includes its features, characteristics, and examples. Some of its keywords are, for instance, such as, to begin with, an example, characteristics, or to illustrate. The fourth form of informational text is what we call the comparison and contrast. A comparison and contrast informational text presents the similarities and differences between two or more persons, places, things, topics, and others. Some of its keywords are same as, similar, alike, as well as, not only but also, both, instead of, either or, on the other hand, different from, or as opposed to. The fifth form of an informational text is what we call the problem and solution. A problem and solution informational text presents the problem and the possible solutions to it. Some of its keywords are question is, dilemma is, the puzzle is, to solve this, one answer is, or one reason for that. And the last form of an informational text is what we call the persuasion. A persuasion informational text convinces a person to agree or believe on certain issues or stand. Some of its keywords are surely, it is certain, therefore, consequently, convinced, agree, and conclude. Now for your second task, I want you to identify what type of informational text is used in each statement or item. Select your answers from the choices below. Here are your choices. Letter A, description. B, problem and solution. C, comparison and contrast. D, cause and effect. E, sequence. And letter F, persuasion. First statement, in planting flower seeds, get a pot and place soil in it. Then, put the flower seeds in it. Water it regularly and expose it to appropriate amount of sunlight. What type of informational text is used in this statement? Good job! The correct answer is letter E. This is an example of a sequence informational text. Second item. Many pupils got sick due to the constantly changing weather. To solve this concern, the local health officials had checked the vital signs of the pupils. They also distributed medicines and vitamins. What type of informational text is used in this item? Very good! The correct answer is letter B. This is an example of a problem and solution informational text. Third statement. We must act now. We have to save our environment, plant trees, conserve energy and water. We can do something. Save Mother Earth. What type of informational text is used in this statement? Good job! The correct answer is letter F. This is an example of a persuasion informational text. Fourth item. Mount Taal is considered as the world's smallest volcano. It is also one of the most active volcanoes in the country. It is known as a volcano island situated at the center of Taal Lake. What type of informational text is used in this item? Very good. The correct answer is letter A. This is an example of a description, informational text. Fifth statement. Due to heavy rain, streets become flooded. What type of informational text is used in this statement? Good job! The correct answer is letter D. This is an example of a cause and effect informational text. And for the last item, Lukban and Tagaytay are both famous for their cold weather. Due to the cold weather, locals become successful in doing different agricultural activities. Lukban is located in Quezon Province, while Tagaytay City is in Cavite Province. What type of informational text is used in this item? Very good. The correct answer is letter C. This is an example of a comparison and contrast informational text. Did you get all the answers right? I hope so. And to end our lesson for today, always remember that informational texts present factual information or details about persons, places, events, and topics. These texts may be used in presenting sequence, description, comparison and contrast, problem and solution, cause and effect, and persuasion. I hope that you learned something from our lesson today, and I hope that you enjoyed listening while learning. See you in our next class. Bye!